Well, we've just come a bit further south. The weather's so good I can't really not do a bit of travelling in this. It's just so nice. Just flew the drone over a bit of reef that we came around. Got some good footage, I think, and we're heading up to Fitzroy. So Fitzroy is a lagoon. We're going for a very small opening, anchor up in the sand there, and that's where we'll spend the night. And these places, as I said, they'd be great to spend, you know, a couple of weeks out here, especially if you're a fisherman, I suppose, or a diver. But probably tomorrow I'm going to head down to Mussy and we'll spend a night there, and then, as I said before, Thursday we'll get down to Bundy. But really is pretty special travelling in conditions like this out here. It's just fantastic. We're just off the lagoon now. I can see the entrance. There's two buoys that marks the way in, and there's marks heading in there. I'll just get the drone in the air and we'll try and get some footage of the entrance. The best time to be navigating around coral or into lagoons and places like this is in the middle of the day, say from about 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock. By doing it at this time of the day, you can see the coral heads pretty easily. They show up as brown patches near the top of the water. Later and earlier in the day, it's very hard to see them. Of course, coral is very hard and very unforgiving. See a fair bit of reef out. It's quite a narrow channel in, so careful navigation as you're coming through here. Got down to 3.7 on the echo sounder as we got through that section. It's good to navigate these narrow entrances with a bit of the ebb tide still flowing out of the lagoon. This gives you better steerage and a lot more control of your vessel. Sort of see the deeper water. Quite shallow here, but we'll have a look when we go through. So 4.1 and now dropping into 7 or 8 metres of water. Get over here somewhere and try and find a bit of sand. In nearly 9 metres here, but a very rough corally bottom. drone, I can see a patch of sand up in front of us there, so we'll go and see if we can find it. Even without the drone, by keeping an eye out at the front of the boat, you'll be able to identify the patches of sand pretty easily. Just going to go astern now and I'll back up into this bit of sand we're in. Like a good spot, looks good on the sounder. There are 4 or 5 public moorings in the lagoon that you can use if you wish. It's a great spot, crystal clear water, plenty of great diving and good fishing. Be careful of green zones. We're anchored here in 7.6. I've put out about 40 metres of chain. We're just pulling up on it now. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like or subscribe.